Alright guys, moment of truth right now. So everything's on. I'm gonna hit run. I might just pull it, I don't care. Ready? Hit once and hit twice. Like that. Can you hear it? It's not that loud, huh?
No.
Heard of that one? Nice. So I got my 120 outlet, 120 30 amp, and the 240 30 amp. And I got a beautiful 250 amp. So I have to break it in with no load for about 30 hours. I got a USB and a Type-C port. Obviously gas, I'm not using that. We have eco mode, I'm gonna turn it off. Nice. You like it? I like it. Parallels, you connect to them at the same time. Nice. It tells you not to use to have it under 70 load for the first 30 hours. But I don't think I'm gonna wait that long. Let's do 240 right now, see if it holds the charge, alright? The keys over here? Pause. Can I get the keys? It smells funny here now. Like food or something. Cool. It's on. We're about to test it with the welder. This is what I do the most. And it was already open. Oh, was it? This is what I do the most. Welding. Not only am I welding a lot, I'm welding constantly. I install gates. Look at that. This is what I need. Oh man.
What video?
My inverter welder. We do all the way up. Let's go. I want you to check out my look at this baby. Look at this baby. Sphere. And for the haters, this is for the haters right here. This is the one I started with. Look at this baby. Yeah, Miller, and I got a Op Trail from Swiss, baby. We'll go with the thanks to my lady. I'm gonna go with the Swiss. Let's go. About 240 outlets. Blow this on full amperage. Don't look, Toyota. Ready? Moment of truth right here. This is why I bought this generator for. I didn't want to struggle anymore. That was my bad, probably my welder. Was pretty good. It's just the noise factor that I'm tripping out on. It goes. That's what I'm kind of like looking at it. But it's good so far. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's not even. It's holding on to the arc good. It strikes good. It stops and repeats pretty good. So far, so good. I have nothing bad to say. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try a little bit more. Try a little bit more. I like it. Pretty good welds. Let me see what it says when it's striking an arc. Don't look, Tail, don't look. Good. I mean, it welds pretty good, like it holding, but it's just like I gotta check the manual, see what it says when it's like when it's arcing in the beginning. It goes pretty high up, so I gotta check what all those numbers mean. But so far, it looks pretty good. I mean, that's how all generators start. Record that machine right there, Toyota. Get that machine. This one, a lot of people would say it's one of those Chinese inverters. And literally, I run that one 100% all the way, full power. And maybe that's causing my generators to mess up, but it's a little machine. It's not a watt hog, it's an arc. But, I mean, so far, so good. What I do is holding up, is welding really good. Like I damn near gave it everything I had, and it held it up good. It sounded like it was kind of wanting to turn off, but I think that's just normal for my generator to do, for my welder to do, I mean. But the next step is we probably buying a better welder. That one is hot. Okay, we're good. That's right.